Hi, we are at 1700 Laurel Creek Drive in Lawrenceville, Georgia today. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home is beautiful. I can't wait to show you the inside. There are several features that I really love about this 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch. One is the very nice hardwood floors on a great deal of the main level. Secondly, it's got some great ceilings, a cathedral ceiling in the central family room. It's got a triple tray in the formal dining room. And throughout the home, you'll notice that the builder did a lot of extensive moldings. Check out this very nicely renovated kitchen with the stone countertops, tile backsplash. The cabinets have been refreshened. And you've got a really nice, spacious breakfast area with windows on the bottom, kind of long windows, and then you've got the skylight windows. Lots of light creates a very airy feeling in this home. The master bedroom suite features a double tray ceiling, really nice wall of windows, and the master bathroom features lots of space, separate shower, jacuzzi tub, double vanities, and the walk-in closet has its own closet shelving system. What's not to like about this adorable backyard? Got a patio, a grassy area, really nicely landscaped, and just private, serene, and very enjoyable. Please reach out to us if you have any questions or want more information. Thanks for watching.